Welcome to Destination Diaries. This is Zubair. I bet you didn't know how seamlessly history and modernity blend in England, creating a unique and vibrant culture. England is a small country with a big history, from the ancient stones of Stonehenge to the majestic castles that dot the landscape. Every corner of England tells a story of its rich past. From ancient monuments to modern cities, England offers something for everyone. London, the bustling capital, is a melting pot of cultures, where historic landmarks stand alongside cutting-edge architecture. Explore charming villages, bustling cities, and rolling countryside. The picturesque villages with their thatched cottages and the serene countryside with its rolling hills offer a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle. England is an island nation, but it's easy to reach by plane, train, or ferry. Heathrow Airport is one of the busiest in the world, and the Eurostar train connects London to mainland Europe in just a few hours. English is the official language, making it easy to communicate. Whether you're ordering a cup of tea in a cozy cafe or asking for directions, you'll find it easy to get by. The currency is the British pound, but many places accept credit cards. You'll find ATMs and currency exchange services readily available, making transactions smooth and convenient. England has a temperate climate, so pack for all types of weather. From sunny days in beautiful gardens to rainy afternoons in cozy pubs, the weather can be quite unpredictable. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through England. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a city explorer, England has something to offer everyone. Enjoy your adventure. London, England's capital, is a global city. It's a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a unique atmosphere that attracts millions of visitors each year. From its iconic landmarks to its vibrant cultural scene, London offers something for everyone. See the Houses of Parliament, home to Big Ben, the famous clock tower. This iconic structure has stood the test of time, witnessing countless historical events and serving as a symbol of British democracy. Visit Westminster Abbey, the coronation church of English monarchs. This stunning Gothic structure is not only a place of worship, but also a treasure trove of British history, where many kings and queens have been crowned and buried. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the Queen. Witness the changing of the guard, a ceremony that showcases the pomp and pageantry of the British monarchy, attracting tourists from around the world. Ride the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel with stunning city views. As you ascend, you'll get a breathtaking panorama of London's skyline, including landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral and the Shard. See a show in the West End, London's theatre district. From world-famous musicals to cutting-edge plays, the West End offers a diverse range of performances that cater to all tastes. Explore the Tower of London, a historic castle and former prison. Discover the crown jewels, guarded by the iconic Beefeaters, and delve into the tower's dark and fascinating past. London is a city that's both historic and modern. Its skyline is a blend of ancient structures and contemporary architecture, reflecting its rich heritage and forward-thinking spirit. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply looking to explore, London has something to offer. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument, a mystery for centuries. This ancient site, located in Wiltshire, England, has intrigued historians, archaeologists, and visitors alike. The massive stones, some weighing up to 25 tons, were transported from miles away, and their exact purpose remains unknown. Was it a burial ground, a place of worship, or an astronomical calendar? The questions are endless, and the answers remain elusive. Walk among the giant stones and imagine their purpose. Feel the weight of history as you stand in the shadows of these ancient monoliths. The atmosphere is almost otherworldly, transporting you back to a time long forgotten. Bath is a Roman spa town with ancient baths and Georgian architecture. This picturesque city, nestled in the rolling hills of Somerset, offers a glimpse into the opulence of Roman life. The Romans built the baths around 70 AD, and they remain one of the best-preserved Roman sites in the world. Visit the Roman baths, well-preserved ruins. Marvel at the engineering prowess of the Romans as you explore the complex network of baths, saunas, and plunge pools. The museum offers fascinating insights into the daily lives of the Romans who once bathed here. The Roman baths are still fed by natural hot springs. The mineral-rich waters, believed to have healing properties, bubble up from the ground at a constant temperature. It's a testament to the ingenuity of Roman engineering that these baths are still functional after nearly 2 millennia. Explore the city of York, with its medieval walls and Gothic cathedral. This historic city, founded by the Romans, is a treasure trove of medieval architecture and history. The imposing York Minster, one of the largest cathedrals in Northern Europe, dominates the skyline. Walk the Shambles, a narrow street lined with historic buildings. This charming street, with its overhanging timber-framed buildings, dates back to the 14th century. It's like stepping into a scene from a medieval fairy tale. England is a country with a fascinating past, from prehistoric monuments and Roman baths to medieval cities and Gothic cathedrals. Every corner of this land tells a story. It's a journey through time where each era has left its mark, creating a rich tapestry of history and culture. Section 4. Beyond the city limits. The Lake District is a region of stunning natural beauty. Hike in the hills, sail on the lakes, and enjoy the fresh, invigorating air. The Cotswolds is a region of rolling hills and picturesque villages. Visit charming villages with thatched roof cottages and cobblestone streets. The White Cliffs of Dover are iconic symbols of England. Stand atop the cliffs and enjoy breathtaking views of the English Channel. England's natural beauty will truly take your breath away. Section 5. Discover England for yourself. England is a country of rich history, culture, and beauty. From iconic landmarks to stunning landscapes, England truly has it all. Explore historic cities, charming villages, and breathtaking scenery everywhere. England offers something for everyone, whether you're interested in history, culture, or nature. Experience England's unique charm and friendly people. Enjoy traditional pubs, delicious food, and world-class museums. England is waiting for you to explore. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.